Good morning. It's Monday, 29th April 2024, and here is Vijay speaking to you for the pre-market commentary of today. Now, the title of today's topic is Buy on Rumour, Sell on News with a question mark. The reason being, over the weekend, we have had three sets of results. The top two results were from Maruti and ICICI Bank. Maruti came up with very good results comparing it with last year. However, Maruti has not done as well as what the analysts expected. Now, analysts' expectations are always on a higher side. So, Maruti was not able to beat those expectations. Maruti has been going up for the last few weeks. So, there could be a chance that people who bought may be wanting to sell today, even though the news is good. Similar cases with ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank also has come out with good results. If you see last week, Axis Bank came out with spectacular results, or rather good results, and the prices went up for all the other banks, that is, including SBI, ICICI Bank, and Axis Bank. Kotak Bank had a problem, so Kotak Bank did not go up in the. So ICICI Bank also could see some selling at higher levels. The other one, which is very popular, is the S Bank. S Bank, the main promoter of S Bank today is SBI. SBI has got government's permission to move out of S Bank. Also, S Bank's results were quite good. So we are seeing the turnaround which started happening somewhere in 2022 continues quarter after quarter. So S Bank also should do well in the initial stages. Now, considering what happened globally, the GIFT Nifty shows anywhere between a 75 to 100 point gap up. Now, my suspicion is that this gap will not hold because this gap is primarily because what happened in the US on Friday. Though the futures are still up, but I think what is happening in Asia, for instance, especially with the yen, may put some pressure. Also, what happened on Friday in terms of the election, second phase of election, where the voting percentage was very low. So I believe that even though the market will go up, or rather be up in the initial few minutes or maybe couple of hours, but it is likely to come down at the end of the day. So whether we want to check this hypothesis, the easiest way to check is on a bullish day, look at the first hour high. If the market crosses the first hour high, then that day is a bullish day independent of what I or you may feel. Similarly, if it breaks the first hour low on a bullish day, then the market is negative, is most likely to close negative, whatever may be our opinions. In terms of precious metals have, the gold has started reacting again, while silver is finding a bottom around $27. Gold is below $1,350. As far as oil is concerned, oil is down because there is some expectation that there will be a breakthrough between Hamas and Israel in terms of the hostages. We really don't know whether it will happen and when it will happen. Then in terms of the dollar index is steady. The story for this week, in my opinion, will be yen. Yen, as I mentioned yesterday in my weekly podcast, yen was at 158. Today it almost hit 160. And this week is the Japanese Golden Week. Technically or theoretically, nothing should have happened. But the fact that it has moved up to 160, I think will create jitters in the global currency markets. So whatever it may be, today will be a day, in my opinion, for both bulls and bears. It is depending on what stocks you choose, what prices you enter. Whatever you do, I hope you have a profitable day.